Next one. Make creditors take tzedakah money. Very interesting. Make creditors take tzedakah money. There is discipline on the poskim regarding situation where the money was collected for an individual who is poor and the creditors who wants the money. Right? It's very practical situation, and I know a few of them. Right? So they collected money, and this poor people. I mean, on one hand, I have pity for them, but on the other hand, like they blame the whole world in what was going on with them, and they try to avoid the creditors like the enemies. But these people, the creditors, they actually gave you money in time of the needs. Now you want to avoid and don't pay, don't pay at all. And that's what I wasn't well, and I did not know what to do, because this was a collectors. I mean, the collectors are private people who lend the money, right? So they want their money back, and they collected somebody collected a lot of tzedakah for these people, right? And then this collector came and said, I want part of it. Look, he owes me $3,000. Pay at least half of it. Like you have money. You understand? So it's not such an easy situation. So one more time, there's a dispute this poor person wanted to dodge this collector like he's an enemy. Well, when he needed the money, he was your friend. Now he's your enemy. It's very interesting how people change. There is a dispute among the poskim regarding a situation where the money was collected for an individual who is poor and has creditor who want the money. Right? Are they allowed to take it? Are they allowed to take it? Some of the opinions are that they may not, since we can assume that the money was given only to the individual support. Others, however, maintain that the creditors have a right for the money. So before we continue, let's try to understand. So when we were collecting this money for this poor person, so let's say somebody, this charity collector said that they have no food, right? So they need the money for food for a month's supply. Okay. So we collected money. When I gave my $10, let's say, I gave this $10 with intention they're going to buy milk and bread with this money. You understand? So now, if I did not mean if they tell me that it's going to go to a creditor, let's say to credit card, like to simple, right? Maybe I would not give this $10. Maybe not. For milk and bread, I would give, but for other things, maybe not. So that is first opinion, right? First opinion that this person, and needless to say, everybody, allowed to use this money as only as it was directed, right? So not intended by the giver. So if giver said, I want this money to be used for food, so they're not allowed to use for other things, right? Like on our website, Beezrat Hashem. So you have many campaigns. So you allowed to you can donate to whatever you want, but if you donate it, for example, for yeshiva, they're not allowed to use it for food, right? Or to buy clothing for the kids. That's it. So it's like they have to respect your wish. Your wish is a law in this case. Okay. Continue. Nevertheless, in the city, but others think, other sides think. So maybe like if it's going to help him somehow, okay. Even though I gave for food, but for other reasons, okay. Maybe it's to alleviate his suffering, maybe. Nevertheless, in a situation when the money was given with the knowledge that the poor person is in debt, for example, it was made known that to the benefactor that the creditor were owed money, right? Everybody gives the opinion that the creditors may take the money. So if it's very interesting addition, right? It's actually in parentheses. So it says if this people who gave the money, they knew that they're in big debt, right? So they need food and they big debt, and they know maybe the landlord is going to kick them out, this and that. So when they were given money, of course they meant for food, but they also understood that maybe part of this money is going to go to the rent or to other like credit cards or something. So in this case, yes, they like according to all of the opinions, they may use the money. They may take the money, the creditors. In any event, if money was given to indigent with the stipulation that it is not be used to pay off the bad debt, he would not be permitted to give the money to the creditors. Very simple, very straightforward. So whatever the benefactor, as they call this person, right, says, that's his wish. So meaning what? So he gave only with intention that it's being used for the food. He gave only with intention that it's going to be spent for school books for kids. That's it. So he's not interested in your kitchen renovation or something, right? Or in your new bicycle, right? So it's very straightforward.